In this video, I'll show you how to use the blog feature. To get started, click Blog in the side panel. There are two editing modes for the blog, Layout mode and Post mode. Layout mode is where you set the structure for all of your blog posts, both current and future. To access Layout mode, click Edit Layout. In this mode, you set the layout for elements that appear in every post, such as blog title, author, and main image. Be careful in this mode because any changes you make in layout mode are updated in all blog posts. Reaching out to your designer could be helpful when making changes in layout mode. Post mode is where you go to write individual blog posts. Post mode is located under Manage Posts. Click the pencil to start editing. You have complete freedom over the content of each post and can add any widgets that you want. Editing a post is just like editing a page in the editor. You can edit the settings for your blog on the blog settings page, such as your blog name, RSS feed details, blog thumbnail, and RSS feed URL.